Here at Land of Frost, automation means helping our employees have a better work life. Land of Frost has been operating since 1941, producing deli-style lunch meat, as well as premium hot dog and sausage products. My name is Frank Mejia. I am head of the continuous improvement area here at Land of Frost. My focus is cost-saving projects, so going out on the floor, looking at opportunities that can help with that. Well, one of those big opportunities, especially during COVID, is what can we automate? Some of the areas that Land of Frost was looking at was areas of repetition, areas where we can help the ergonomics of the team members out there, palletizing being one of them. We had team members manually palletize all our cases. We had a lot of people putting the cases on the pallet, moving back and forth. That's where we saw an opportunity. Hey, we can help solve that issue and help team members out there. So as Land of Frost was looking at different options for automation in the palletizing area, another key priority for us was a unit that maximizes our square footage out there. So finding the right partner, finding the right system was critical for us. Our expectation for automation partners is ease of training, the flexibility of changeovers, and the consistency in terms of performing very well, having little to no downtime. When Land of Frost first heard about Formic, we were curious. We never heard of a system like that. On paper, it looked great. We were curious to see how it would actually plan out on the floor. We installed 5 Formic units on the floor, 4 of them being on the sausage lines, 1 of them doing and palletizing our lunch meat cases. So during the installation of the Formic units, it was a process to train all those team members, but once we got the Formic units up and running, the training was seamless. That individual who used to palletize by hand is now actually operating the unit. It's a unique position that we created installing these Formic units. So the changeover process prior to Formic was time-consuming, just trying to find that SOP, standard operating procedure, and then looking over that pallet pattern. Those sausage products, we have about 20 or so different recipes on that, versus now with Formic, it's knowing your case, selecting the recipe, and in 2 seconds you're going. That ease of change is what brings value to us and the team members out there. With using the Formic units, the maintenance was a key part, so that's not something we're used to in terms of having external parties come in and maintaining the units, but it's definitely one of the key points for us. Very minimal downtime with the units because they're being maintained from Formic themselves. So as Land of Frost grows and innovates, we have new products which result in new cases. Working with Formic and designing a new end-of-arm tooling for those cases so far has been seamless. Since the installation of the Formic units, we do go back and look at the ROI and do analysis of them. And one of our biggest KPIs with the units installed was the line efficiency. And it has improved in terms of how quickly we get those cases packed, palletized, and out the door. Our return is there using these units. My experience working with Formic has been great from the start in terms of design, pre-launch, and then installation, in terms of maintenance, in terms of support, very responsive. Those are the things that we're looking for, and that worked out with Formic.